Welcome to this video on the career path of a physical therapist. We will explore how these professionals transform lives through movement, recovery, and effective pain management, one patient at a time. In this first chapter, we look at the role of the modern physical therapist. They are movement specialists trained to restore function and improve quality of life for patients of all ages, from children to aging adults. Physical therapy has evolved into essential medical intervention. It provides a non-opioid approach to pain relief through movement and manual therapy while addressing diverse conditions ranging from sports injuries to neurological issues. A day in the life of a physical therapist is dynamic. Working in settings like hospitals or private clinics, they handle high-stakes interactions, typically managing several patients per session with individualized care. The work can be physically demanding. Because therapists spend long hours assisting patients, mastering proper body mechanics and prioritizing personal self-care is essential for a long and healthy career. Chapter 2 covers education. Becoming a physical therapist requires a Doctor of Physical Therapy degree. This graduate-level program provides a scientific foundation through coursework in anatomy, neuroscience, and clinical psychology. To practice, you must follow the path to licensure. This involves graduating from an accredited program, passing the National Physical Therapy Examination, meeting state requirements, and maintaining your license through ongoing education. Clinical internships are a vital part of this preparation. They serve as the environment where students turn textbook knowledge into real-world competence, building the technical skills and empathy needed for patient care. For those seeking advanced practice, board certifications and fellowships are available. Specializations include sports, neurology, orthopedics, and pediatrics, allowing therapists to focus on specific areas of expertise. In Chapter 3, we examine the economic landscape. With a median annual wage of over $101,000, experienced specialists can earn significantly more, and many therapists choose to own their own practices. Compensation is influenced by your setting and experience. Whether in hospitals or outpatient clinics, there is high national demand and strong career stability for new graduates entering the workforce. Entrepreneurial opportunities are abundant. Over 20% of therapists own their practice, benefiting from schedule autonomy and business growth. Other avenues, like consulting and telehealth, are also expanding the profession. Chapter 4 looks at the future outlook. The field is projected to grow by 11% by 2034, adding over 29,000 new positions nationwide, confirming that the demand for physical therapy remains strong. A major driver of this growth is the aging baby boomer population. As lifespans increase, the need for rehabilitation services like post-stroke recovery and joint replacement therapy continues to rise. Finally, we see a shift toward the wellness revolution. Physical therapists are at the center of this movement, helping patients maintain mobility and achieve musculoskeletal health before injuries even occur. The demand for physical therapists is rising, with over 29,300 new opportunities projected through 2034. This growth is sustained across diverse settings, from major metropolitan hospitals to underserved rural communities, where the need for professional care is particularly acute. Success in this career relies on three key pillars: communication, to ensure patients understand and follow treatment plans; observational precision, for accurate diagnosis; and agile problem solving, to adapt protocols when conditions change or progress slows. Today's physical therapist combines hands-on technique with technical mastery. Proficiency in digital systems, such as electronic health records, advanced therapeutic equipment, and remote monitoring platforms, is increasingly essential for modern practice. Physical stamina is a professional prerequisite. Because this is not a desk job, you must remain on your feet for hours, providing hands-on techniques and support. Maintaining your own flexibility and endurance is vital to sustaining this work. Recovery is as emotional as it is physical. Patients often face fear or grief during long journeys. Effective therapists build genuine trust, set realistic milestones, and serve as steady anchors, celebrating every small victory alongside the patient. You will work within a collaborative team. This includes coordinating with physicians and surgeons for post-operative care, supervising assistants to expand patient capacity, and integrating with nurses and specialists to ensure holistic outcomes. Navigating the healthcare ecosystem is a key skill. Success depends on understanding insurance, managing referrals, and advocating for your patients within regulatory frameworks. Being knowledgeable about these business aspects makes you a stronger advocate for your practice. Physical therapy is increasingly recognized as a first-line intervention for chronic pain. By treating mechanical causes through movement and manual therapy, therapists provide lasting relief without the risks of opioid dependency. Your reach extends beyond the clinic. Through education and advocacy, you can champion movement as medicine. Whether in a rural school or a trauma center, you are an essential pillar of a healthy, functioning society. The future of the field is exciting, with new tools augmenting therapist capabilities. From rehabilitation robotics like exoskeletons to AI-assisted diagnosis and real-time remote monitoring, technology is transforming how we track and support patient progress. Choosing this path offers high job satisfaction, financial security, and career longevity. The ability to see tangible, positive impacts on a patient's life makes it one of the most rewarding and recession-resistant careers in healthcare today. You will make your mark as a blend of clinician, coach, and scientist. By bridging the gap between rigorous medical science and human compassion, you help patients reclaim their most fundamental capability, movement. To get started, research accredited DPT programs, complete your science prerequisites, and begin logging your clinical observation hours now. These hours are not just a requirement, they are your competitive edge in the application process. As a final thought, remember that the demand for human touch and clinical judgment is immutable. No technology can replace the expertise of a great physical therapist, especially as the population ages and wellness needs increase. Begin your journey today. The next generation of therapists will shape how we heal and age. Your community needs movement experts, and your future patients are waiting. Take that first step toward this rewarding career.